How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this Pontiac Vibe. One of the taillights went out. Really easy to replace, but in this case the owner wants to have LEDs. I'm going to show you how to replace them and how they look. This on the passenger side is the one that went out. And excuse me the mess, but looks like this guy right here likes to have his whole wardrobe on his car. I got these LEDs. I believe these are Auxito. Very good, super bright, and if you can see how it's made of. And I'm gonna put this one on that side where the light bulb went out, and I'm going to show you the difference. And once again, excuse the mess, I'm gonna replace it on this side where the light bulb is out. You just have to remove this cover. Be careful so you don't scratch it. Okay, that one is out. One on top right here, you just have to twist it to your left, and that's the bulb. 7443. We're changing the regular 7443 for LEDs. Okay, now we're gonna put it back on. Now I'm gonna try this side and the other side, and you're gonna see the difference. On the driver's side, it's a little bit different. You have to remove this cover, and on this side, it's hiding right inside. So you have to put your hand in it and try to look for it. That's the bulb right there. And you see the difference between the LED and the regular bulb. The LED was super bright. So now with these ones at night, this car is gonna look super awesome. Now I'm gonna put the other LED, and you're gonna see the difference. Okay guys, I replaced the other one. Now let's see how it looks. Super bright. You can see the difference. It looks amazing.
Even like the brake, you do something or what? It's too tight.
Nice. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna put the link on the description. If you have a Pontiac Vibe like this one and you try to replace it with LEDs, they're gonna look really good, as you can see. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.